Welcome to Tokeepo Shorts. In this video, we will be exploring graduation designs.
After selecting the keepsake of your choice from the shop menu, click on Personalize.
If you are unfamiliar with our customization studio, we recommend you watch the tutorial.
Click on the plus sign. Select the folder icon to access our designs library.
Choose graduation. Celebrate academic success with our stunning graduation designs and inspiring quotes.
Each design is crafted to honor the hard work and dedication of graduates, personalized just for you.
With our intuitive customization studio, you can add your personal touch and see a real-time preview of your keepsake.
Add a small message to your design. Make it personal.
When you are finished, click on the Done button. The item will be automatically added to your cart.
Make graduation day unforgettable with Tokeepo. Visit our website and start creating your personalized keepsake today.